Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cake Yeeps full guide. Preheat your oven and line pans while we measure ingredients precisely. Start by creaming fats and sugar until light, then add eggs one at a time. Alternate dry and wet ingredients and avoid overmixing. Fold in flavorings gently and pour batter evenly. Bake on the center rack and test with a toothpick before cooling completely. Room temperature ingredients give a consistent batter and better rise, so plan ahead. Use the creaming method for air incorporation and add eggs slowly to maintain structure. Alternate adding dry and wet ingredients to avoid overdeveloping gluten. Fold in any delicate mix-ins at the end to preserve texture. Monitor oven temperature and test for doneness with a toothpick inserted in the center. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite fits perfectly in your kitchen drawer, so you can read recipes hands-free and without messy pages. Its backlight and long battery make it ideal for following multi-step baking guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After cooling, level your layers for even stacking and apply a thin crumb coat to trap crumbs. Chill briefly to set the crumb coat, then apply your final frosting smoothly with a spatula or bench scraper. Use piping for accents and add sprinkles or fruit for color and texture. Keep decorations proportionate so the cake remains balanced and easy to slice for serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.